Hey guys, this is my 2013 Fireworks Stash Part 1. For our 500 gram cakes, we've got NASCAR Star 2-inch, 9 shots. We've got Yikes, 500 gram, Bounty Hunter, it's fanned, Pigskin, 9 shots, $100 Surprise, really good, Fighting Rooster, 30 shots, Eye of the Storm, courtesy of the Red, White, and Blue, 9 shots. Stinger, Loyal to None, 33 shots. And Military Tank, 25 shots. That one's fanned. 200 gram cakes, we've got 2 Texas Rattlesnake, 2 Bling Bling, 1 Fearless, 1 Wild West, which is 25 shots, 1 Beyond Fall, Beyond It All, 25 shots, 1 Color Me America, 20 shots, 1 Gator Bait, 1 Bump Bear, 1 Killer Clown, 1 Crazy Exciting, 1 Big Boss, which is fanned, 1 Fireworks Fiesta, fanned, 1 Jumbo Saturn Missile Battery, and Cruise Missile. Then a Mighty Cobra, a Fast and Furious, a Buggin' Out. Okay, and then for our artillery shells, we've got Superstar 60 gram canister shells, 6 of them. And we've got Fearless 60 gram canister shells, and there's 6 of them. Did I say 6 of these? There's 6 of them. Superstars. And that looks like a PVP. Oh, it looks like fiberglass tube. And these have 2 fiberglass tubes with this 6-shot. And then we've got a King Arthur. They look really nice. 12 of them. I know they're upside down, but they look really nice. And they were only about 25 bucks for 12 60 gram canister shells. So yeah, 2013 Fireworks Stash.